Gotcha.
Invoice number V7806. Today is Thursday, February 23rd, 2023. We are video inspecting the dryer vent. It does have flexible vinyl material ran in the interior walls. There is the incorrect louver. It is the same as all the other dryer vents, which is oversized for the dryer vent itself. And you can see this is all vinyl material. There's all lint throughout this as well. It cannot be cleaned. It will tear with the proper cleaning apparatus installed. This is also not code compliant and will not contain any sort of combustion. We've got about 12 feet up, and we cannot go any further with running the risk of tearing this. So what they did here was they transitioned from the vinyl material to a piece of rigid pipe. That looks like it's an elbow. And then the rigid pipe is also, the very small section of rigid pipe is also in the reversed position as well, going against airflow and not with airflow. That concludes the video inspection for the dryer vent. Multiple defects have been observed and further recommendations will follow